Vivo is gearing up to launch its flagship X100 series and the Watch 3 in China next week. The X100 lineup is expected to comprise a standard, Pro, and Pro Plus models. Details about the upcoming smartphones have been doing the rounds of the rumor mill. Now, ahead of the launch, the global variants of the Vivo X100 and X100 Pro have surfaced on the Geekbench benchmarking platform. The listings also hint at the launch of the devices outside the China market. The Vivo X100 and X100 Pro are listed with model numbers V2308 and V2309 respectively on the benchmarking database. The listings mention a motherboard with model number K6989V1_64 and it comprises 2 cores at 2 GHz, 3 cores at 2.85 GHz, a prime core ticking at 3.25 GHz. This corresponds to MediaTek's recently announced Dimensity 9300 chipset on both phones. The X100 is listed with 12 GB RAM whereas the X100 Pro is spotted with 16 GB RAM onboard. The Vivo X100 Duo will ship with Android 14 OS out of the box. In the Geekbench's single-core and multi-core test results, the Vivo X100 scores 891 and 3,573 points respectively. On the other hand, the X100 Pro registers scores of 2,254 and 7,608 points respectively. A recent official commercial of the Vivo X100 series confirmed a protruding circular camera module featuring Zeiss Apo lens on the back panel. The upcoming offerings are also confirmed to feature a V3 imaging chipset and Dimensity 9300 under the hood. The X100 series is teased to be available in blue, white, black, and orange color options.